Good afternoon and welcome to the first webinar of 2023 on the topic of warpage, causes, and analysis tactics. I'm Anand Bora, Customer Success Manager at Moldex 3D North America. So request for everyone, keep your microphones muted throughout this webinar. We will have questions answered at the end, and you can feel free to put your questions in the chat and I'll be more than happy to answer them at the end, or you can ask them or wait and hold your questions all the way till the end. Also fill out a survey to get a webinar recording. This webinar is being recorded and will be shared. Okay, with that, let's get started. Agenda for today, warpage. 6 major causes of warpage. We'll look at all of them: part design, mold design, processing, material effect, fiber orientation, and residual stresses. We'll also look at simple warp versus complex warp computation. What's the definition of ideal cooling and transient cooling, and the impact and the differences between the two? Which one is better under what circumstances? We'll look at case studies to understand the differences and the impact of cooling, and then also best practices for running Warpage in Moldex 3D. So what are the 6 major causes of warpage? Part design, mold design, process conditions, polymer PVT, fiber orientation, and residual stresses are the most important and impacting causes for warpage in a plastic part. Part design that happens right in the beginning and has one of the most highest impact on how the part warps right from the get-go has a significant impact. Mold design and can help other factors like mold design and process conditions as well. So part design has a significant amount of impact. Polymer PVT, basically how the material behaves, has is I would say the second most, if not the most impactful of all these causes out here. Fiber orientation and residual stresses have a significant role to play in warpage. Fiber orientation, of course, comes in play when the material actually does have fiber in it. And we'll look at the residual stress impact as well.